Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor headphone jack not working. So here's a fix for your audio output, OSD value, volume, and cable. Fix 1. Check the headphones. Make sure the headphones are fully plugged into the monitor's headphone jack. Test the headphones with another device to confirm they work. Fix 2. Check the audio cable. If you are using HDMI or DisplayPort, audio is sent through the same cable. Make sure the cable is set securely connected. If possible, try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Fix 3. Select the monitor as the audio output for Windows. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar. Select Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your MSI monitor as the audio device. Play audio and check if it works. Fix 4. Increase the monitor's volume. Open the monitor's OSD. On-screen display menu, go to Audio or Volume settings. Make sure the volume is turned up and mute is turned off. Fix 5. Restart the monitor and the computer. Turn off the monitor and your computer. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn back on. Fix update the graph and audio drivers. Install the latest graphics drivers for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU. Also update your computer's audio driver. Restart your computer after the updates. Fix 7. Try another device. Connect the monitor to another PC, laptop, or gaming console. If the headphone jack works there, the issue is likely with your original device or its settings. Fix 8. Check whether your monitor supports audio output. Some MSI monitors include a headphone jack but do not have built-in speakers. The headphone jack only works when the monitor is receiving audio over HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, if supported. Fix 9. Reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu, go to Settings, and then go to Reset or Factory Reset. Confirm the reset and test the headphone jack again. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.